Aeropak Rear View Mirror Rain-Off Spray is designed specifically for vehicle side mirrors. The rearview mirror must be cleaned before using this product. In order to ensure uniform film formation after spraying, the spray should be generally carried out in one direction. It dries quickly, taking about 1 minute for the surface to dry. After drying, the rearview mirror surface will appear slightly white. This is normal and will not affect visibility. To achieve long-lasting results, do not touch or polish this product at any time after it forms a film. Do not use a high-pressure water gun or spray it with car wash liquid. This product is also suitable for motorcycle rearview mirrors. Similarly, the rearview mirror to which this product will be applied needs to be cleaned first before use. For rearview mirrors not treated with Aeropak Rearview Mirror Rain-Off, water will bead and streak upon contact, obstructing visibility. This product can form a rainproof layer on the rearview mirror. The wind speed will affect the drying time. A higher wind speed will accelerate the drying process. When water lands on a rearview mirror treated with Aeropak Rearview Mirror Rain-Off, it exhibits a lotus leaf-like hydrophobic effect, with water droplets failing to adhere to the mirror surface. Additionally, it prevents fogging and maintains a clear view in any weather conditions.